When Miss Martinez gives you a question about density, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to write the formula so you remember what you're looking for. Second step, underline numbers. And as you can tell, I've already done that. 107 grams, 10 milliliters, and 15 milliliters. Well, we only have two numbers we need, but in our problem, we underlined 3. So let's label these. So we have 107 grams. That is going to be our mass. So we're going to label it with an M. 10 milliliters. Milliliters would be volume. So we're going to put a V by 10. 15 milliliters. Well, there's another volume. But we don't need but one volume, so we need to read the question. You found a ring with a mass of 107 grams. You fill a graduated cylinder with 10 milliliters of water and put the ring into the cylinder. The water level rises to the 15 milliliter mark. What is the density of the ring? Well, this is how I like to do it. I like to read it like a story, and I like to go sentence by sentence, so I make sure I have everything I need. So you found a ring with a mass of 107 grams. Great. So my M is 107 grams. Okay, now I got to find the volume. You fill a graduated cylinder with 10 milliliters of water. All right, so I'm going to draw my graduated cylinder. Okay, so that's 10, and there's my water. So I have my filled cylinder with 10 milliliters of water. Okay, I put my ring, here's my ring. I'm going to put my ring into the cylinder. Okay, now, since I put a solid ring in there, my water is going to rise up to 15 milliliters. Okay, the water level rises to the 15 milliliter mark. Okay, so I just did that. So now it just says, what is the density of the ring? Well, I need to do something here with these two right here. So if you remember from the notes, the 10 milliliter is the initial volume, and the 15 milliliter is the final volume. Okay, now remember, you're going to do the final volume minus initial volume equals the volume. So final volume here is 15. Subtracting the 10 gives me 5 milliliters. Okay, so this will go here, 5 milliliters. So now what do we have left to do? Divide, very good. So to find the density, we have 5 going into 107. Okay, will 5 go into 1? No. Subtract, bring down my 0. Will 5 go into 10? Yes, 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. Subtract, bring down my 7. Will 5 go into 7? 1 time. 1 times 5 is 5. Now, we have leftover numbers, okay? We're not going to leave them there. We are going to add another place value, decimal 0. Make sure you put your decimal there. You're going to bring down that 0, and now you have 20. Will 5 go into 20? Yes, 4 times. 4 times 5 is 20. 0. So, your density of that ring is 21.4 grams per milliliter. That is the density of the ring. Okay? All right. I hope this has helped you. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you some more things in this Nearpod. And I hope that you study it and you get to know it, because next time we are going to work more problems like this the whole time. All right. Have fun.